Asif, and he is Mr. Khaliluddin from Afghanistan. He has L5S1 disc bulge and he is having pain radiating down in his left leg and some burning and tingling sensation. He's been there since few days and he is taking a few adjustment. And now, how are you feeling?
از وقتی که ما آمدیم چند تقریبا 5 روز یا 6 روز میشه که دکتر صاحب واسه همین پای من از این قسمت درد میکرد بسیار راه گشت صحیح نمیتونستم من مشکل بود درد میکرد پایم و من در ظرف یک هفته کوشش دکتر صاحب بود که من همین پای من را به اثر کوشش تلاش ازی حال خوب شدم میتونم صحیح بگردم سال 10 دقیقه گشتم نمیتونستم باز میشستم باز میخواستم حالا 1 سال 2 سال که میگردم و مشکل برام ایجاد نکردم و من دکتر صاحب تشکر میکنم که زحمت کشیده و یک نتیجه خوبی از تداوی دکتر صاحب آصف گرفتیم دیگه.
So I'm going to do his adjustment. This is the last adjustment and you will see how I'll do it. Come. Pain here, this? This is the L4 L5 glide just to make the loose vertebra. And before the adjustment, it's better if we can do the glide, we can move the vertebra more comfortably and easily. This is also called a neural slides. You can release the nerve. We can give you a little manual traction to L5S1, just holding the spinal process. Just take a side turn to my side. Side turn. Total relax, okay? Just relax your body, breathe in and breathe out, okay? Relax. Relax this, loose. Yeah, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes. Right on straight. On your back, straight. Move your foot. No, just back on straight first. Straight. On your back. Ulta. See.
Better, we were there.
No, face up, face up. Lie on straight. Yeah. Now move your foot. Okay. Now turn this side. Just relax, total relax your back. Yeah, relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, relax. Total, yeah, breathe in, breathe out. Slow. Yes. Straight. Move your foot. Now get up and walk. Just walk around. Here only. Walk it. Stand. Just go down. Yes. Touch. Very good. Back. Back. Side turn. How is it now? How are you feeling? कैसा है?
ठीक है
ठीक लग रहा है?
ठीक लग रहा है المشكلة إن هذا ده نظر الإحساس بكثير عطينا كان دكتور وصلت شكلين كانوا زعمات خاصة.
Thank you very much. Thank you everybody. Please subscribe my channel and watch my new videos also. Thank you.